Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the channel. This is Ryan, your host, and I'd like to introduce our new co-host.
What you mean I'm Ryan? What you talking about,
Yeah,
boy?
okay. We got a funny guy on the channel
Yeah.
here. This is
Yeah.
Ant. He's back from our other video.
What's up?
If you didn't catch that, it'll be, I'll put it on a card at the top of the screen. It'll be up top here.
Yep.
But today we ordered a new Razer Phone 2. Since my old Razer Phone 2 it's on its last legs, not doing so hot. I did have that phone for over 2 years, so it did really well. And I liked it so much that I decided to unbox another Razer Phone 2 on the channel, and I'm getting the exact same identical Razer Phone 2 case. So we are going to have our apprentice use his magic hands,
What's up?
and he is going to do the unboxing for us today.
All right, let's save the big boy. Let's move him off to the side. Let's start with the case. All right, so we just gotta pull up here. All right. It's coolio. All right, look at that. That's nice.
Nice.
Gotta take it out.
So I'm assuming that both the phone and the case have been in packaging for 2 years, since they haven't really been making Razer Phone 2 phones. If you know anything about this, leave a comment down below.
All right, look at that case.
It looks pretty crisp
Yeah.
compared to my other one.
Oh, look at
Wow.
that. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that right there. This is the big boy.
All right, so let's show everyone the box real quick. We ordered this from Amazon. Razer no longer has this phone on their store, which is really unfortunate. I think they stopped making it. Let's show them the back of the case, not the bottom. Yeah, so see right here on the case, we have that really nice pull tab once we take off the plastic, and it's magnetic and it just opens up.
Yep.
It's a really nice unboxing experience.
Smooth slice. Okay.
Are you ready for the peel?
Oh, did not. Ah, there we go. Oh man, this case still feels so nice. Just feel the texture. It's
Oh yeah,
one of a kind.
I still have my original in the other room. It got kind of ripped apart though. I use it for storage for RAM.
Good thing to use it for.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh, look at that.
I think they have the best unboxing experience for any product.
Yeah. Wow. Just look at that.
And we have another letter. Would you like to read us the letter?
Yeah. Sure. The Razer phone was created for those serious about performance, whether it's kicking ass in game or kicking back and enjoy movies in HDR. We showed the world a device that refined the standard in mobile gaming and entertainment. Now meet the Razer Phone 2. Like a sharply honed blade, the Razer Phone 2 redefines every element of its predecessor with a new design and improved features for incredible dual experiences. A flagship phone for everyday use and a powerful gaming phone for immersive gameplay. True to Razer, we remain uncompromising to the standards we deliver. Our phone continues to set the bar higher for flagship smartphones with extreme performance, sleek design, and a mobile game experience you can't find anywhere else. Congrats on your newfound mobile advantage. More blah blah blah. All right, sweet.
Nice.
What else is
We should plaque that.
We should. Oh, here's the baby. Look at that.
Here's what we've all been waiting for.
Look at that. Oh. Ah, there we go. That's how you do it. Just gotta peel this. It just falls out right like that.
Wow.
Oh, look at that bad boy.
It looks amazing.
Look at the back. Beautiful.
It's so crisp and shiny.
Yeah. All right. Before we actually check out the phone, though, let's check out what's in this box. Oh, look at that! It like turns.
It folds like a book.
Oh, do you want to open that?
Sure. I believe in here we get more stickers.
Oh yeah, stickers.
I hope.
Best part of any phone.
Oh, the Razer
Yo.
SIM tool. Now, I did end up losing mine. Like, actually, just 2 weeks ago, I lost my Razer SIM tool. So I had it for 2 years. Here we go. We have the Razer Phone 2 book. All the information that you will need is in here.
Beautiful.
I didn't see the stickers.
Stickers.
I thought stickers came with the Razer Phone 2.
So maybe it's in here? No?
Oh, maybe.
No? Let's check the book again. Maybe it's in here. Aha!
We found the stickers.
There you are.
And we do have more stickers. So we have more of the same stickers. We now have 3 packages of these stickers.
Yay. Alright, let's just take off the wrapping first. Look at that. USB Type-C.
Now, surprisingly, my Razer Phone 2 charger from my original device is still functional.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's solid quality.
And it still looks almost the same.
Ooh, look at this cable. Oh, nice. That's a nice cable.
It's
right
actually really nice.
Yeah.
Razer puts some really good quality into their cables.
Okay. And then here is the cable so that you can use headphones.
Yeah. The original cable from the Razer Phone actually had a 24-bit DAC in it. I believe this one does too, but I think the original one was slightly better.
Cool. There's probably nothing else in this box, so
That's
just
it.
toss her aside.
So overall, it looks pretty much the same as my other one.
Yeah.
Because it is the same phone. Let me go get my other one just for comparison.
Yeah.
So I just want to do a little comparison here since I have my old Razer phone right here with the exact same case on it. Don't mind the paint. But it's the identical case. I also have the phone charger. So you can see I've been using this for 2 years. This end of the phone charger is still okay. There's no breaks in the braided cable. And this side is also in perfect condition. So I originally thought that this cable would have broken like an Apple cable, but no, it did not. It's still going strong. It's 2 years old. And this is what I wanted to show everyone. This is the original Razer phone jack. This came with the original Razer phone. I did have that phone. Unfortunately, it did break within the first 2 weeks, but I did keep the DAC just because it's really nice and I get a really crisp sound inside the car audio system. I find it was slightly clearer than this. I don't know if that was just my car or a placebo effect. But if you know any information about that, drop it down in the comments below. I'd really like to know. I'm really curious. But overall, they do look exactly the same, the two phones. Not much has changed. You can see mine did get a little bit of dirt inside of the dots, if it focuses. It's just a little bit of lint. It doesn't really bother me that much. But it will come out if I take some water to it and scrub it a bit. The white stuff that you see, I believe, was car wax. That does not come out, unfortunately. I accidentally got that on my phone. On the back side, this case is held up pretty well. It is kind of loose now. Let me show you. You can kind of, if you watch the camera, you can see I can slide it around a bit inside of the case. So it's not holding it perfectly. But on the back side, you can see it still looks really mint. You can see my face in there. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm gonna edit that out.
Now, see, the case does have the rubber on the case does create some little lines over here, which the new phone obviously doesn't have. But let's check out the case. Look at this. Look at the comparison between the two. Look how shiny the new one is compared to the old one. That's just really something, eh?
That is something. I've used this phone for 2 years, and I didn't clean it before this video, just to make it look realistic. I didn't want to hide anything. I don't want to scratch the screen just yet, but it looks like Aunt doesn't mind.
Wait, it's a mouse pad. It's not going to scratch it.
We don't know.
Mouse pad by Razer. Oh.
Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this content, please press the like button down below. If you have any questions about the Razer Phone 2, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and maybe we'll make another video about the Razer Phone 2. Overall, it's been a really good performer. I might be switching to the newer Razer Phone 2 just due to battery life, and this one's not working so good. And I noticed that the power switch is actually sticking out slightly more on this new one than it is on mine because I've used it so much. And I also cannot make phone calls that well on this one. So the mic is not picking it up as well.
Struggle's real.
Yeah, well, it did last a very long time.
This lived a good life.
I used it daily for 2 years. That's the most I've ever gotten out of a phone, actually. So I'm pretty impressed with this product. And I hope they make more in the future. I don't know if they will. I don't think they will. I think they've hung up that coat.
They hung it up.
They hung it up. But it's a really good device.
Yeah, so we'll catch you in the next one, and we'll see you later. Bye!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.